guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel Marus Tech. In today's tutorial I'll guide you through how to enable 5G network if your phone has been using 4G. So don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to share this tutorial with your friend, and don't forget to like the tutorial if you find it helpful. So look at my network right here in the top right corner where I see the battery. This is the battery, that is the network's 4G, and this is my time. Now look at the network, it is 4G and I want to change it to 5G. So guys, we're going to be following these simple procedures. So now what are you going to do? Like the tutorial, subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you get any problem, comment. Now let us continue. We're going to start by opening your phone settings, and in your settings you're going to look for network and internet. Once you look for network and internet, you're going to select that particular network you want to change to 5G. In this case I have two networks and they are all the same. I have Airtel in SIM 1 and Airtel in SIM 2. They are those two networks I have in my device. Now I'm going to choose any of the available networks. Let me choose SIM 1. And then once I choose SIM 1, I'm going to come where I see this. Let me show you where I see advanced. When I reach where I see advanced, I'm going to come where I see preferred network type. And then once I look at that option, I'm going to check it. And by doing that, I'm going to choose this one, 5G. Once I enable 5G and I look at my networks again, as you see, they are now 5G networks, and my phone will now be running at a higher internet speed, download speed and upload speed. That is it. Don't forget to subscribe if you find the video helpful. Don't forget to like if you find it helpful. Let us meet in the next tutorials. I'm Marus Tech and I sign out.